Hi everyone! Today we're going to make a Halloween decoration, simple and nice, well, and a bit scary of course. It is so easy to make, so it is good even for the first time ever cutting machine users. To repeat my decor, you will also need fairy lights and small transparent bags, but if you don't have them at hand, don't worry. Each design has special holes to hang them on a ribbon or a string any way you like. So let's start. First of all, we choose the designs. I like all of those, so I'm gonna choose all of them. I use PNG files because of a more convenient preview. We have all of our files opened. Now we should resize and place them on pages. To copy and paste, I use keyboard shortcuts Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V for Windows or Command+C and Command+V for Mac. To resize the design, we go to the top panel. Please be sure to activate the lock to resize proportionally. So, I've placed all the designs and have some space left on a page. I'll probably duplicate some files, and for that, I'll move objects holding the Alt tab. Now I have 3 filled pages. I would like to make each of them in different colors: black, orange and brown. Make sure that your mat is sticky enough and your cardstock is of a good quality. This is very important for cutting small details properly. We should be very careful while taking the details off the mat. My mat is not bending, so I'm using additional tools. If your mat can bend, you may just turn it to the other side so that the elements are underneath. Then bend the mat carefully and take off the details. They are ready! Can't wait to decorate my room! You are welcome to download these SVG files for free from my Facebook group. Just follow the link in description, download files and get your home ready for Halloween. I'd love to see what you make. And please invite your friends. Let's share inspiration and ideas. Happy Halloween! Boom!